Ndinkem Mamano. You're welcome to Kids Igbo Academy, where we teach Igbo in a fun, interesting, and amazing way. We teach children and beginners Igbo. In this series, we're going to be learning proverbs. The reason is because proverbs are very important part of conversations, and we teach conversational Igbo, right? So the proverb for today is Jire hihe cho ewoji makana chijie yano chichiri aburotu. What that means is literally meaning like search for the black goat in the afternoon, because when it's night the black goat has the same color as darkness and then it becomes more difficult to find. In English, in proper English, it's the proverb that means make hay while the sun shines, right? Now you understand that you use this to teach people, encourage people to behave in a timely manner or to become more time conscious. So easy, right? Apply it and let me know how it was when you spoke it to your loved ones, okay? If you want to learn more, you can go to the channel and look out for other videos that we have done that will actually help you get started on your Igbo language journey. We offer classes to children and to beginners. If you want to have a class with us, all you need to do is send an email to this email displayed on your screen right now, and we will tell you the next steps. Agama hono mbozo. Kodi.